Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Mrs. Noakes' Thursday math lesson. We are back to our dock camera. I hope you enjoyed seeing me yesterday, and we'll do that again too. So today's lesson is about partners of 10. And if you remember, any kind of partner of a number is two numbers that make up that one number. So with partners of 10, you're going to catch on to it really quickly. We have done this before, so it's a review, but we're going to review it a lot because it takes a while before it sticks. Your learning target today is I can write and say all partners of 10. So by the time we're done, you should be able to somehow figure out all partners of 10 and say them and write them. Okay? All right, so I made a really cool graphic for you here to kind of demonstrate the partners of 10. So you notice we have 10 yellows, but no reds. So 10 and 0 are partners of 10. If you add those two together, they make 10. Here we have 9 yellows and 1 red. If you add 9 and 1 together, it gives you 10. 9 and 1 are partners of 10. Here we have 8 yellows and 2 red. 8 plus 10, or sorry, 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 8 and 2 are partners of 10. Here we have 7 yellows, 3 reds. If you add them together, 7 plus 3 makes 10. So 7 and 3 are partners of 10. Here we have 6 yellows, 4 reds. 6 and 4 make a 10. Here we have the 10 split right down the middle, which is 5 plus 5, just like your hands. 5 plus 5 equals 10, so 5 and 5 are partners of 10, okay? Then we have 4 and 6 red ones. Uh-oh, what did you notice? The yellows are shrinking, and look what happens. Now we're just flipping them. Now we have more reds than yellows, so these up here are getting flipped, okay? So here we have 3 yellows and 7 reds. 3 plus 7 makes 10. 3 and 7 are partners of 10. Here we have 2 and 8. 2 and 8 can make a 10. 1 and 9 reds. 1 yellow and 9 reds can make 10. Partners of 10. And then here we have 0 yellows now and 10 reds. So these are all your partners of 10. They can make the number 10. 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1, 9, and 0, 10. So what you're going to do today is you're going to write the partners of 10. Let me move this out of the way. You're going to take a piece of paper because I hear that some of my templates have not been working out, and until I can figure out the snafu, we're going to go ahead and stick with paper and pencil for a little bit, okay? So I realize that you don't have Unifix cubes, so what you can do is you can just, I literally just took this strip of paper and cut it into 10 squares. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm going to add the 10 over here because I have more room. Okay, so we have 10 squares, and now you can take a pencil to be your dividing stick, your separation stick. Okay, so I'm going to do this first because that shows me nothing on this side, 10 on this side. 0 squares plus 10 squares equals 10 squares. 0 and 10 are partners of 10. Now I'm going to move my separation, my divider, break apart stick, 1 over. Now I have 1 square on one side, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the other, equals 10. Now I'm going to move my break apart stick over 1 more. Okay, so now you have 2 on one side and 8 on the other, and so on and so forth. You continue until you have all the partners of 10. Then I want to teach you a quick game of partners of 10, and it actually is really fun. It's called the Oink Oink game. Okay, so you're going to take your 10 and you're going to arrange them a little bit different than when you have the break apart stick. You're going to go like this. You're going to have 5 on, kind of like a 10 frame where you have 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Okay, and then here's what you're going to do. You have to play either with mom, dad, or a sibling, and you're going to do this. One person is going to be the person that takes some of the squares out, and the other person has to guess the unknown partner of 10. Okay, so it's just another version of an unknown partner game like we did with the bears the other day. So here's what you do though. The person that takes these away, okay, so this person would take these away, and he would say, or she would say, oink, oink, 6 picks in the pen. Tell me what's the partner of 10. And then the person that was guessing would say, I see 6 pigs in the pen. 6 and 4 are partners of 10. Okay, and if they get it right, then you can switch roles. So now the other person would take away some. Okay, so for instance, they could take away this. And while the other person is not looking, the other person cannot look and see this because otherwise it's too easy, right? And so now the person that just guessed would say, oink, oink, 8 pigs in the pen. Tell me what's the partner of 10. The other child would then guess and say, okay, well, I see 8 pigs in the pen. 8 plus 2 are partners of 10. And you would just go back and forth until you can do it. Hope you enjoy this. There is one other thing on there that is not a must-do. It's a can-do, but it's a really fun computer game that you can go into and find the partners of 10. Okay? All right, have fun, guys. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.